Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share an easy Chinese noodle recipe with you guys. This is called Biang Biang Noodles, which comes from the northwest of China. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to use a pot to boil some water. When the water boils, put the noodles into the pot. Cook until the noodles become soft. Then we can add some bok choy and some bean sprouts. When the vegetables get soft, take everything out from the pot. Now we need to make some garlic. Add the garlic to the noodles. Add some chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some white sesame seeds, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, half spoon of dark soy sauce. Now use a pan to heat some oil. Pour the hot oil onto the noodles. Mix well and it is ready. This is also known as youpo noodles. Very tasty. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.